Tesla may choose new factory location by end of year. Tesla may choose a location for a new factory by the end of the year, Elon Musk said. The company already has factories in its largest markets, so it will be very interesting to know which country the company chooses. Tesla CEO Elon Musk was interviewed by the Wall Street Journal as part of his initiative to meet with publications supporting various political beliefs. During it, he stated that the company will likely choose the location of its next electric vehicle factory by the end of 2023. "Well, we did make an announcement that Mexico would be our next location outside the US. We picked a site and everything, so there's that. And then, we'll probably pick another location towards the end of this year." The interviewer wanted to know in which countries Tesla is most interested. In light of recent rumors that a factory in India is being considered, he asked if the company was interested in that particular country. Musk replied, "Absolutely. Recent rumors indicate Tesla will seriously consider India as its manufacturing site. India is a major automotive market. In addition, there is cheap labor there, which can make production in India even more attractive." In recent weeks, Musk has personally met with the president of South Korea and the president of France. Both presidents tried to get Tesla to invest in their countries. Representatives of the company also met with high-ranking Indian officials. Tesla already has EV factories in all of its major markets: the US, China, and Europe. The vehicles are manufactured at the Fremont factory and Giga Texas in the USA, Giga Shanghai in China, and Giga Berlin in Germany. Mexico will be the next country where the Gigafactory will be built. Given that there will be 3 factories in North America after the construction of Giga Mexico is completed, it is likely that Tesla will consider expanding to another region. Apparently, the company will be looking to build a car factory for the production of vehicles on a new platform. So one will be needed in Asia, for deliveries to the region and beyond. Source: reposted and summarized from Eva Fox at Tasmanian.